problem. It is plus 70. 7 plus 13, 3, 1 carry. Okay. This is this much value. Now 360 plus theta lying in the first quadrant. It is 1070 degree. It's coming something different. This 430 degree. 360, yeah, plus 70 degree. Plus 70 degree value is not calculated. It is 430 degree. Now if I write 70 degree as 90 minus 20 degree, then it is 90 minus 20 degree. It will be 20 degree also, differences like this. 70 degree can be 90 minus theta. It is equal to cot 20 degree. Cot 20 degree is not calculated. The value of this will not be calculated. So cot 20 degree and 1070 degree both have the same values. Okay, because 2 pi, this is 430 degree. I think value is something different. We've done this type of question previously. Not yet. It's 430 degree. Okay, is not done yet. So this can be left as it is because for 20 degree and 1070 degree are not calculated. Their values are not given in the tables. 430 10 for 430 degree. 360 degree plus 70 degree 0. 7 plus 6 13. 3 1 carry 1 430 degree. 430 degree is like this. We can write 1070 degree. It is only 1070 degree either right or cot 20 degree we can write. This can be 90 minus 20. 70 is 1090 minus theta is cot theta. This is cot 20 degree. This is the answer here. We cannot calculate this value. The answers are not given of this. Okay. Sin 20 degree and for 70 degree is value. Or if it is different angle, then we can calculate. But in 430 degree, 360 plus theta, we can convert this into only in this form. It cannot be calculated. Okay, now let me take next part. So this is the only answer. Not further cannot be calculated because these values are not given in simpler forms. 70 degree we can take table if it is given there. So H part is there. Now I. What is the I part? This is sine of minus 330 degree. It may be not 430, but it may be 330 degree. So then 360 minus 30 degree. Then the value can be calculated. It's not 430 degree. But if it is wrongly mistaken, I mean if it is 330 degree like this, sin 330 degree, then this value can be calculated easily. Okay, so maybe the value is not correctly given. It is 330 degree either, but 430 degree is not calculated. It is not calculated or cannot be calculated because its values are not given. Okay, now see sin 30 degree. First of all, we know that sin is odd function as sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. This is the value. This is nothing but minus sin 330 degree equal to sin. Now sin 330 degree can be 360 degree minus 30 degree. No problem. Now this is the fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta, 2 pi minus theta. In the fourth quadrant, sin is negative, only cos and secant are positive. This is negative here, minus sign is already there. This is minus sin 30 degree. It is positive sin 30 degree. So minus plus, sin 30 degree plus sin 30 degree is 1.2. This is the answer here. I think this is not. First previous parts, H part, it is not 430 degree, but it is 330 degree maybe. Okay, if it is 330 degree, then the value will be 1030 degree, minus 1030 degree, and minus 1030 degree because it is negative in that situation. 360 minus theta negative, and 1030 is positive. Okay, it was only positive, so it was positive 1030 degree. negative, sorry, minus tan 30 degree, and tan 30 degree is 1.3 minus 1.3 if it is 330 degree answer. I mean the angle, not 430 degree. Normally taken this question. I'm sorry for this, but I'll just clarify, and after that in the next lecture series I'll talk about this. So it is 430 degree, not 330 degree to make it, not 430 degree. Okay, now this is done. So this is the answer in positive 1.2. So up to I part it is done. Now J part, this is the last part of this question number 8. Let me now solve that. J part says something with the value. The J part of this. Now J part says that, okay, it says if theta is pi by 3, it is given to us, given if theta is pi by 3, okay, if theta is pi by 3, then find the value of the following. Then you find the value of first is cos theta. To find the value of cos theta here plus cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta here plus cos 4 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 6 theta. This is we have to calculate. Okay, to find the value of this cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 5 theta, cos 6 theta, up to cos 6 theta. No problem. Let us solve it. Solution. Now cos theta is cos pi by 3 means 30 degree. Let me write it as 30 degree. Plus cos 2 theta is 60 degree. 2 into 30 degree. Pi by 3, sorry, I'm writing here. I'm sorry. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. Pi is 180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. I'm sorry, not 30 degree. I took it wrongly. This is cos 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Plus cos, this is 120 degree. Multiple of this. Then again, 60 into 3 is 180 degree. Cos 180 degree. Plus cos 4 theta, 60 into this 240 degree, plus cos 5 theta, 6 into 3, 30 degree. You have to add 30, 60, 60 plus 2, 40 plus 60 is 360, 300, sorry, plus 6 theta, again 6 into 6, 360, 6 is 36, 360 here. It is cos 360 degree. How these values are calculated, I'll just tell you about. They are the maximum value more than 90 degree. So how do we calculate them? We write them. This is cos 60 degree. We know what is cos 60 degree. This is 1.2. Now, in case of cos 60 degree, we know cos 60 degree is what. So this can be written as 90 plus theta cos, that is 90 plus 30 degree. Cos 120 degree is 90 plus 30 degree. 120 plus cos 180. 180 if I write, it is 90 plus 90, let me write. No problem. In terms of 90, let me write. Plus it is 180 plus 60. Cos 180 plus 60 40 minutes. Again this 360 minus 60 we can add. Cos 360 plus 9, 300 means 360 minus 60 plus cos 360 we can add it as 180 plus 180, no problem. First, let me convert them into these forms. First is 1.2 because cos 60 we know. Now cos 90 plus theta is second quadrant. This angle is lying in the second quadrant, 1.2 degree. So second quadrant cos is negative, but cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus sin 30 degree. Minus sin 30 degree. Okay. Then cos 90 plus 90. Again, if I take 90 degree as theta, so 90 plus theta is second quadrant. Cos is negative. This is minus cos 90 degree. Now cos 90 degree, we know this is 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. Sorry, cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. Sorry, this is sin 90 degree. I'm sorry, cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. This is sin 90 degree. For sin below that 180 degree is minus 1. Cos 180 degree is minus 1. We know this value, but how we calculate that? That is the process. Cos 90 plus theta is sin theta minus sin theta, which is minus sin 90 degree, plus cos 180 plus theta. This is third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. This is minus cos, but 180 plus theta is cos. It is minus cos. Let me write here minus cos 60 degree. It is minus cos 60 degree. Then cos 360 minus theta, lying in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. It is positive cos, which is plus cos 60 degree. Cos 360 minus 60, 300 for 300 is cos 60 degree. And then 180 plus theta, if I write, this is third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative, so this is minus cos 180 degree. If I had not to convert this 180 degree, this one, cos 180 degree, then it would be calculated by, cancelled by 180 degree this. Okay, so that is also possible. This value and this value, 190 degree minus 1. And this is negative value. That could be cancelled out. Yeah, so that could be cancelled out. Okay, now let me check further. This is 1.2 minus sin 30 degree. This is 1.2. No, sin 30 degree is 1.2. This is 1.2 minus 1.2. Minus sin 90 is 1. This is minus 1. Cos 60 degree is 1.2. So it is cos 60 degree minus 1.2. Plus cos 60 degree. Okay, these two are cancelled out. No problem. Only the writing there. Then minus cos 180 degree. Now minus cos 180 degree again. This cos 180 degree, this was cancelled out. Okay, further let me write 90 plus 90. Now this 1.2 cancelled out. Minus 1, and this is cos. So left over value is minus 1 minus cos, or minus, this is cos 90 plus theta. This is equal to minus sin theta, minus sin 90 degree. Now sin 90 is 1, so minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. The whole value comes out to be 0. Okay, so this whole value is equal to 0. So we were left with minus 1, minus sin minus 1. That is 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. This is minus sin 90 degree. This is minus 1 in the bracket, and minus sign is out of bracket also with plus 1. So, or we could just convert them into 180 degree and minus 180 degree. In that way also we could write it down. This question number 8 finally done, completed. I mean, this number of parts were there of it, so we have completed them. Now let me take the next question. Now question number 9. What did it say? Now let me talk about question number 9. Now question number 9 says, this is the 9th question. Okay, that is completed, that was 0 value. Okay, 9th question is to prove that a square minus b square into cos 2 pi minus 4ab into cos, into 4ab into sin cube, sin of whole cube 3 pi by 2 This is sine of q. 3 pi by 2 is the angle. We have to prove that this whole equal to a square plus 4ab minus b square. Okay, to prove it, to prove this, that a square minus b square into cos twice pi minus 4ab into sine of whole cube 3 pi by 2 is equal to a square plus 4ab minus b square. Okay, that will be able to prove question number 9 to prove it. Okay, now let us take the question solution. So left hand side we are talking about. Let us take left hand side. Left hand side is a square minus b square into cos of 2 pi minus 4a into b into sine of whole cube 3 pi by 2. Now this whole cube, we know that sine square theta can be written as sine theta whole square. Okay, so similarly, we can write it sine 3 pi by 2 whole cube. I'll write down that since this is equal to this, so we can write it as a square minus b square into cos 2 pi is what? I'll just convert that. Minus 4a into b into sine of 3 pi by 2 whole cube. Let me write it down. 3 pi by 2 whole cube of this. Now what is the value of cos 2 pi and sine 3 pi by 2? That we have to calculate. This is, let me write here. Now cos 2 pi, we can write it as 2 pi 360 degree, no problem. Sine 360 degree can be written as cos, 2 pi 360 degree is 180 plus 180. Let me write it. Now if I write 180 degree as theta, okay, 180 plus theta is second quadrant, so it is negative. Sorry, this is third quadrant. I'm sorry. In third quadrant, cos is negative. 180 plus theta is third quadrant. Third quadrant, if it is negative, then minus cos. Because cos 180 plus theta is cos theta, but it is negative. Minus cos 180 degree. It is minus sign here we have taken. Now cos 180 can be written as cos 90 plus theta, like that. 90 plus 90, 180. In this way we calculate this value. Now cos 90 plus theta, this is in the second quadrant, because 90 plus theta, if I take 90 as theta, then 90 plus theta is the second quadrant. So cos in second quadrant is negative, but cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. It is minus sin theta. It is minus sin 90 degree. It will be minus sin 90 degree is minus 1. It is plus 1. So cos 2 pi is plus 1. This we have just calculated. This is how we calculate cos 2 pi is equal to 1. I have to multiply this by, in place of cos 2 pi we can write 1. Now let me calculate what is 3 pi by 2 sin 3 pi by 2. Okay, so cos 2 pi is plus 1. We just calculated cos 2 pi means cos 360 degree value is 1. Now cos 3 pi by 2. No, sorry, sin 3 pi by 2. Now sin 3 pi by 2, what is that? Sin 3 pi by 2 equal to sin pi by 2 is 90 degree into 3, 270 degree. It is 270 degree. Sin 180 plus 90, you can write 270 means 180 plus theta. So now sin 180 plus theta is third quadrant. In third quadrant sin is negative. It will be minus sin 90 degree. 180 plus theta, sin is sin, because 180 plus theta is there. But this is 180 plus theta, 180 plus something, that means third quadrant. In third quadrant sin is negative, it is minus sin 90 degree. But sin 90 degree is minus 1, sorry 1, sin 90 is 1, it is minus 1 only. So minus sign, left over sin 90, positive 1. but it's a minus sign, so it is minus 1. So sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is negative. Okay. Therefore, we can write in place of sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 and cos 2 pi is 1. So let me write it. So a square minus b square into 1 positive minus 4ab into minus 1 whole cube. But minus 1 whole cube is negative 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus odd number times. It is negative 1. It is negative. It is a square minus b square minus minus plus here. It is minus 4ab into minus 1. That means a square minus b square minus minus plus, this is plus 4ab. This is nothing but a square as answer is given. I am writing that this is minus b square. A square plus 4ab minus b square. This is the right hand side. A square plus 4ab minus b square. This is the right hand side. Hence proved. This is the right hand side. Hence proved. Question number 9 finally completed. Let me take question number 10. What is question number 10 say? Let me check it. Okay. Now question number 10. Now question number 10 says prove that second pi by 6 here. Second pi by 6 into 10 pi by 3, which is here. To prove that second pi by 6 into 10 pi by 3 plus sine into sine pi by 4 into cosec pi by 4 okay, sine pi by 4 into cosec pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 into cot pi by 4 into cot pi by 3, yeah, equal to 7 by 2. This we have to do. Let me again check it. Prove that second pi by 6 into 10 pi by 3, okay, plus sine pi by 4 plus into cosec pi by 4 plus cos pi by 6 pi by 6, sorry. It is cos pi by 6, that's all. It is cos pi by 6 into cot pi by 3 into cot pi by 3. Okay. Now let me write them in angle form, degree form, I mean. Let me take the right hand side solution. So left hand side, let me write secant pi by 6 into 10 pi by 3 plus sine pi by 4 into cosec pi by 4. These are reciprocal of each other, so it is one only. Same value. Plus cos pi by 6 into cot pi by 3. Left hand side it is. Okay, now let me solve it. Now sec pi by 6 is secant pi by 6 is 30 degree. Sec 30 degree. 10 pi by 3 is 10 60 degree. Now values of this we have to know. Now sec sin pi by 4 is sin 45 degree. And this is cosec pi by 4, cosec pi by 45 degree. Pi by 4 means 45 degree plus cos 60 degree because cos pi by 6 into cot 30 degree. Now if we know the values, then let me write it down. Now this sin 45 degree and cosec 45 degree is 1 upon sin 45 degree. So this is cancelled out 1 only. But let me write the values. Now sec 30 degree. What was the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. The reverse of that is 2 by root 3. Now then 60 degree is root 3 only. Plus sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. into this is cosec 45 degree, it is root 2 only. This is reverse of this. Plus cos 60 degree is 1.2 into cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is just reverse of 10, which is root 3 only. Root 3. This cot, sorry, cos 60 degree. I'm sorry. This is cot pi by 3, cot 60 degree. I'm sorry. And this is 30 degree. Cos pi by 6 is 30 degree. I'm sorry. Cos pi by 6 is 30 degree. And cot pi by 3 is cot 60 degree. Sorry. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Into cot 60 degree is 1.3. This reverse of 10, or we can write that whatever tan 30 degree is, that is value of cot 60 degree. Okay, so this is what we have calculated. Now here pi by 3 tan, okay, no problem. But this root 3 upon root 3 cancelled out. Root 2 is left over. Root 2 cancelled out, this is 1 only. Root 3 cancelled out, this is 1.2 only. It is 3 plus 1.2. 3 and half. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, so it is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 answer. If I add them, 3 plus half, that means 7 by 2. The answer here, right hand side. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. So the right hand side is option, it is 7 by 2. Correct. Okay, so this is the final answer of question number 10 we have done. Now let me talk about question number 11. Total 12 questions are there. Let me try to complete them. Now question number 11, what does it say? Question number 11, it says prove that, okay, prove that sine square pi upon 18 sine square pi upon 18 plus sine square 4 pi by pi by 9 plus sine square 7 pi by 18, 7 pi by 18 plus sine square 4 pi by 9, is equal to 2, we have to see. 4 pi by 9. Okay, let me check. 7 pi by 18 and pi by 9, and first is pi by 18. Okay, let me take the left hand side. So left hand side here, solution we are calculating. We are finding the solution. Left hand side here is sine square pi upon 18. Okay, the sine square pi upon 9. The sine square 7 pi by 18 plus sine square 4 pi by 9. Okay, but let me convert them into similar terms. If I open sine square 7 pi by 18 and sine square 4 pi by 9, let me just check it. How do we convert them? So if I write sine square pi upon 18 as it is, let me keep it pi upon 18 as it is. Okay, and sine square pi by 9 also as it is. Or if I just write it as 2 pi, okay, let me just keep it as it is. But 7 is 9 to the 18 minus 7 is 11 pi by. Is it 11 pi by 18 or something? Question 11, it is pi by 18. Okay, no problem. So if I write pi by 18 something, it is sine square pi by 9 plus sine square 7 pi by 18. Okay, I have not written down anything. Pi upon 9. Okay, so let me just think about it. How do we write? If I write it as pi minus, okay, if I write the first one, let me write it as 7 pi by 9 as pi minus 2 pi. Okay, that can be written down. Let me write it as sine square pi by 18 as it is plus sine square pi upon 9 as it is. Let me convert these two. Sine square I'll write after that value. It can be written as angle as pi minus pi upon 9. This is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 9. What is this value? If I take 18 LCM, it will be 9 pi minus 2 pi, means 7 pi by 18. 7 pi by 18 is written like this. This is the whole sphere. The angle is written like this. Oh, let me write it, the whole sphere after the angle is completed. Now this pi by 2 minus pi by 9. Alright? That will give us cos pi by 9. By the difference is 7 pi by 18, because 2 and 9, 18 is LCM. If I take 18 LCM, then 2, 9 is 18, 9 pi minus 2 pi, 9 pi minus 2 pi is 7 pi by 18. So 7 pi by 18 is written like pi by 2 minus pi by 9. Okay, this is cos. Plus, let me write this also. This is sine. Okay, so that will be now 4 pi by 9. If I keep it as 4 pi by 9 is 2. Okay, let me write 4 pi. So this can be written as sine square. This is 2 pi 18 plus 4, 11. Okay, if I write pi 9 pi plus 4 pi and pi by 2, if I write, so it will be then pi by 18 difference must be pi by 18. Okay, let me just think about it.